In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autoplay dialogue voice on Talkie. If you enjoy chatting with characters but prefer to control when audio plays, this quick walkthrough will help you silence auto-read responses while still keeping voice available when you want it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press enter. In the results, look for the official Talkie site, which uses the talkieai.com domain, and click it to open the homepage. Once you're on the site, choose any character to open a chat. This takes you into the conversation screen, where the voice feature usually plays automatically after a message. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you, but you can proceed once the chat window is visible. Now, look to the right side of the chat interface for the settings area. It's typically presented as a panel or a gear icon. Click to open the chat settings. If you don't immediately see the panel, try expanding the right-hand sidebar or maximizing your browser window so the controls are visible. Inside the settings, navigate to the sound settings section. This is where Talkie groups all audio-related controls. Take a moment to glance over the options so you understand what each one affects. But the one we want is labeled Autoplay Dialogue Voice. Locate Autoplay Dialogue Voice and click the toggle to switch it off. When it's off, the switch usually changes color or moves to the left. That's your confirmation that autoplay has been disabled. From now on, new character replies won't start speaking on their own. You'll still be able to tap the play button on individual messages whenever you want to hear the voice, so you keep full control without losing the feature entirely. If you're doing this on a phone or tablet, the layout is similar, but you might need to tap the settings icon and scroll a bit more to find sound settings. The toggle location and behavior remain the same. And if the option doesn't appear right away, a quick page refresh can help the settings panel load correctly. That's all you need to do. You went to the Talkie website, opened a chat, accessed the chat settings on the right panel, entered sound settings, found autoplay dialogue voice, and switched it off. Enjoy a quieter, more focused chat experience, and turn the voice back on anytime by returning to the same toggle.